Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 12C objective questions of chapter 12 proportions or direct and inverse variation. Question number 2 is written here. If 8 orange cost rupees 52, how many oranges can be bought for rupees 169? So here write first in first column number of orange cost in rupees. Number of orange is 8. Cost of 8 orange rupees 52. How many orange? So let the number of orange be x. For rupees 169. By direct variation. It is in direct variation. dV. Orange increase, cost increase. Orange decrease, cost decrease. One increase, other increase. One decrease, other decrease. It is known as direct variation. So by dV, in direct variation, the ratios of two quantities are constant. So 8 by 52 equal to x by 169. That implies 52 into x equal to 8 into 169. That implies x equal to 8 into 169 by 52. 8 into 169 by 52. 4 times. 4 to the 8. 2 for the 8. And 13 for the 52. 13 3 the 13 the 169. A square of 13 equal to 169. So equal to 13 to the 26 orange. Answer. Understand and write it. Next question is question number 5 of exercise 12C. The weight of 12 sheets. The weight of 12 sheets of a thick paper is 40 gram. How many sheets would weigh 1 kg? Here there are 40 gram and here 1 kg. So 1 kg change into grams equal to 1000 gram. Write in first column number of sheets. Number of sheets. Weight. Weight in gram. Number of sheets 12. Number of sheets 12. Weight of 12 sheets is 40 gram. Number of sheets, how many sheets? So let the required number of sheets be x. And total weight 1000 gram. Y dV by direct variation 12 by 40 equal to x by 1000. By cross multiplication x into 40 equal to 12 into 1000. That implies x equal to 12 into 1000, 12 into 1000 by 40. Here 40 multiply by transposition, change into divide. So divided by 40. 0 to 0 cancel. 4 3 ja 12 equal to 3 into 100, 306. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 cm. The actual length of bacteria is, write in first column actual length. Actual length. In cm. Photographs. In cm. So first, the actual length is 1 cm. Photograph 50,000 times enlarged. So 15,000 cm, 50,000 cm. Next, the actual length is 5 cm. So the length of attains length of 5 cm. The actual length of bacteria is, here photographs is 5 cm. So actual length is x by dv by direct variation 1 by 50,000 equal to x by 5. By cross multiplication (50,000) into x equal to 1 into 5. That implies Ax equal to 1 into 5, 5. 5 by 50,000 into x. 50,000 by transposition change into divide. So divided by 50,000. 5 1 ja 5. So 10,000 equal to 1 by 10,000 cm equal to 10,000 means 10 to the power 4 cm equal to, by law of exponents, 10 to the power minus 4 cm. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 8. 6 pipes fill a tank in 120 minutes. Six pipes fill a tank in 120 minutes. Then five pipes will fill it in. So write first column number of pipes, and second column time in minute. Number of pipes, 6 pipes, taken time 120 minutes. And 5 pipes, taken time, let the required time be X. So it is in inverse variation. Number of pipe increase, time decrease. Number of pipe decrease, time increase. One increase, other decrease, or one decrease, other increase. It is in inverse variation. So by inverse variation, the product of two quantities are constant. So 5 into x equal to 6 into 120. That implies x equal to 6 into 120 divided by 5. 24 5 ja 120 equal to 24 6 ja 144 minute. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 10. It is last question also. A car takes 2 hours to reach a destination by traveling at 60 km per hour. How long will it take while traveling at 80 km per hour? Write in first column a speed in kilometer per hour. Time. And second column time. Unit of time is hour. Here, to taken time 2 hours in a speed 60 km per hour. So 16 times 2 hours. Now, a speed 80 km per hour. How long will it take? Let required time be x hour. It is in inverse variation. More speed, less time. Sorry, less speed, more time. More speed, less time. One increase, other decrease. So by inverse variation. 80 into x equal to 60 into 2. That implies x equal to 60 into 2 divided by 80. 0 to 0 cancel. 2 4 the 8. 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6 equal to 3 by 2 hours. 3 by 2 hours equal to 1 hour 1 by 2 hours. 1 hour 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 by 2 hours means 30 minutes. Write it. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 12C. Thank you. That's all.